Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss about what is Investopedia. In this Investopedia website we will know about what is insurance, definition, how it works and main types of policies. Okay, so here is the video. You can also see what is insurance. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which a policy holder receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pools clients' risk to make payments more affordable for the insured. Most people have some insurance for their car, their house, their health care, or their life. Okay, so the next one is insurance policies hedge against financial loss resulting from accident, injury, or property damage. Insurance also helps covers costs associated with liability, legal responsibility for damage or injury caused to a third party. So, what is key takeaways? Insurance is a contract policy in which an insurance indemnifies another against losses from specific contingents or perils. There are many types of insurance policies. Life, health, homeowners, and auto are among the most common forms of insurance. So the next one is the core components that make up most insurance policies are the premium, the deductible, and policy limits. Okay, insurance. A contract which an individual or entity pays an insurance company in exchange for financial protection or a reimbursement of losses resulting from a covered event. How insurance work? Okay, many insurance policy types are available and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. Common personal insurance policy types are auto, health, homeowners, and life insurance. Most individuals in the United States most individuals in the United States most individuals in the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is required by state of law. And business obtain insurance policies for field specific risk. For example, a fast food restaurant policy may cover an employee's injuries from cooking with a deep fryer. Medical. Okay, so business obtain insurance policy for field specific risk. For example, a fast food restaurant policy may cover an employee's injuries from cooking with a deep fryer. Medical malpractice insurance covers injury or death relatable in liability claims resulting from the health care providers negligence or malpractice. A company may use an insurance broker of record to help them manage the policies of its employees. Businesses may be required by state law to buy specific insurance coverage. Important, most insurance is regulated at the state level. Okay, there are also insurance policies available for very specific needs. Such coverage includes business closure due to civil authority, kidnap, ransom, and extortions, CANAR, insurance identity, theft insurance, and wedding liability and cancellation insurance. So this was about today's video. This was about Investopedia. We have go through that what is Investopedia insurance, their definition, how it works, main types and policies. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.